Find the total area bounded by the curves y equals sine x and y equals 1 on the interval 0 to pi. So let's draw out what sine x normally looks like. Find the total area bounded by the curves y equals sine x and y equals 1 on the interval 0 to pi. This is me getting ready to draw out sine x. Looks like this. And it stops there at 2 pi. Peaks out at 1. So I care about this stuff going on right here. So I care about the area here from 0 to whatever u is, and from whatever u is to 2 pi. Okay, so I need to find what that guy is right there. Well, how do I find out what that guy is right there? Well, we set sine x equal to 1. To get x all by itself, if you're wondering, why all that space? So I can do this, baby. So I can inverse sine 1. And as you know from pre-calculus, the inverse sine of 1 is pi over 2. Okay, right there at 90 degrees, pi over 2. So you are my limit of integration for one of them and my limit of integration for the other. All right. Now I'm going to run into a fun little happy accident, but I'm going to pretend like that won't happen. I'm going to set up two integrals, and in both cases, y equals 1 appears on top. So one integral is going to be from 0 to pi over 2 of 1 minus sine x dx plus pi over 2 to 2 pi of 1 minus sine x dx. And at this point, you should realize, well, wait a minute. It's the same guy. Why not combine the two integrals into one whole integral and do from 0 to 2 pi of 1 minus sine x? Well, that's exactly what we're going to do. And the reason why that happens is because there's no upside down stuff going on. There's no upside down thing that I have to worry about. In both of these cases, y equals 1 is the top thing. There just happens to be a little sliver in between where it stops. And you have no area because the two lines intersect. So we're not going to lose sleep over that. The integral of 1 is x. The integral of sine x is cos x, so negative cos x is positive cos x. And my limits are 0 and 2 pi. So once I set this up, I get 2 pi plus cos 2 pi minus 0 plus cos 0. 2 pi is 2 pi. Cos 2 pi is going to be 1, so plus 1, minus 0 is 0, so get rid of it. Cos 0 is also 1. So this gets us 2 pi plus 1 minus 1, which is 2 pi. And that's how we do it.